Hello and welcome to IMGroup at CRM 360. My name is Jeremy Neal and I'm Head of CRM and Online Services at IMGroup. So let's focus then and look at the first of two application areas that we are working on in financial services. The first of these is an established solution that's been delivered to a major American investment bank on a global scale. This is called the Institutional Client Platform. Let's begin by thinking about the business problem that organizations of this size and scale will have. And typically it involves sales. So the salespeople in financial services institutions that are looking to maximize the opportunity with their clients are often presented with a diverse systems reality where they have to log on to each application, each legacy application individually in order to capture the information they need and provide a holistic view of that client in order to then decide what trade they should be looking to sell. Now that is a timely process and financial services trader time is at a premium. So optimizing that process and providing a single point of access to a single version of the truth of that client history and behavior is something that offers significant benefit, as does the opportunity to bring to bear analytics alongside customer management so that you can look at historic buying patterns as a means to help predict future behavior. And this is what the Institutional Client Platform does. It brings all of these things together. It overcomes the historical problem of having to go into each different application area separately and perhaps bring that data together in a tool like Excel, and it replaces all of that with the data you need when you need it on demand in a single interface that is right for the needs of those users. And that is really the hallmark of the industry and what we should be looking to deliver in the design of all of the applications that we build. So at IMGroup, that was the big business problem that we found working with a major global player in investment banking. At a technology level, where they were at, as I said, is they had a lot of legacy disparate systems. In many instances, financial services institutions will have core applications that run their day-to-day transactions that are maybe 10, 20, possibly even 30 years old. So there is a piece of work that needs to be done to overcome that, and that is really the first part of the Institutional Client Platform. We begin by building a data warehouse. That data warehouse brings together and consolidates all of those sources of data so that the salesperson has immediate access to all of the information that they need. And that is really the key to this, is to focus on improving the workflow of those busy and expensive resources, the traders. So from an IT point of view, it's about capturing the information and making it available in one place. It's then about building the system that allows that information to be surfaced in a timely manner, in a user interface and user experience that is right for the people that need access to that information, namely the day traders. So how did we do that? We brought together an architecture that used various elements of Microsoft products, working seamlessly to deliver an overall workflow to meet the requirement of the traders. So the data warehouse, the analytics were built using Microsoft SQL Server, including analysis services, reporting services, and integration services to automate, capture, and update the information from the legacy line of business systems. Microsoft Dynamics CRM was brought in to help deliver the customer and surface the customer data that those traders needed. So that ultimately what we were able to build for this customer was a single interface that gave a homepage, if you like, a point of reference to the trading environment and the task of selling the right product to the right people at the right time. So we were able to automate what were previously manual tasks. We were able to provide deeper and richer analytics and integrate that information into the sales process at the point of use. So salespeople from the moment an incoming call came in, would be able to instantly recognize the client and to have a screen that populated relevant information about that client in real time. So this made those people more productive. It reduced the tax on their time, if you will, of working with legacy systems, and it gave them insight into the appropriate products to sell to the customer that was on the phone at that time. So this is a really compelling way in which Dynamics CRM has been integrated into a point application in financial services to deliver real value. In fact, in this case, for this customer, they found that the combination of predictive analytics delivered in situ with the CRM interface meant that they were getting as much as 800% higher success rates in terms of sales to customers than just going through random calling. So a phenomenal result. Now, this project was initially piloted in 12 countries, but the success of the institutional client platform meant that it was immediately adopted globally and is now in use in more than 80 territories globally. And that is something that we see as a fundamental opportunity and a shining example of the value of using Dynamics CRM as a platform to build a valuable solution in business, in this case financial services. So to summarize on the benefits, they really fall into 4 core areas: increased productivity, lower cost, providing a single version of the truth, and providing a single point of access to the trader. So to find out more on these solutions on our Institute client platform and on our complaints management solution, as well as our other capabilities with Dynamics CRM, you can check us out online. Our website is at www.imgroup.com. You can find us on YouTube, as I mentioned previously, and also come find us at the Expo Hall and our booth at CRM 360. Just search for IMGroup and you'll find us there. We look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for your time.